Guys, to the first ever challenge of lemon. So we're gonna pour a glass of lemon into these cups, and after we're gonna drink them all. We're gonna
spitting them out.
Yeah. We're gonna do about 2 rounds or 1. I don't know. Depends on the lemon.
Yeah.
So yeah. My brother is gonna just stand here, but he can't join the challenge because he might throw up. So, ready? On my count of 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. That's 1 round. Now for the second round.
Oh, it's second. Oh my.
You're gonna back out of this one, huh?
Oh, I do.
I do.
My throat.
Alright.
It's not funny.
We're
We're only doing a little this time.
3. 1.
I'm not ready. Okay.
1, 2, 3. At this point, Michaela threw up. I won! So there you have it, guys. This has been the first ever episode of a challenge, the lemonade challenge. But until my next video, I'll see you guys. When I see you guys, peace.